Hello again, welcome to another video, and today we're looking at this little BSA Bantam D1 plunger frame. I've just fitted a auxiliary fuel tank there just so as we can show you the bike running. I've been told it's a 1951 engine, 125cc with a 1954 frame. So let's just have a go starting it up for you. So there you go, so it is a runner, does probably need a little work, but definitely all there, potential for a restoration. A couple of bits missing, it is missing the rear brake lever, as you can see that should connect to there, that's missing, you need to get one of those. I have tried the clutch, it does engage the gears. I have ridden it a short distance. So yeah, it's got a lot of potential. Just needs a little bit of TLC to make it into a nice little runabout for somebody, as they are quite popular, these. Tyres are all good. No registration with it, you'd have to apply for that. But there you go. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.